अस्सलाम वालेकुम गर्ल्स। बेटा आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो हमने पढ़ना है ममलूक डायनेस्टी जो है उसके बारे में। ममलूक जो है बेटा इट्स एन अरबिक वर्ड एंड इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर स्लेव्स एंड दैट इज़ व्हाई दिस इज़ आल्सो कॉल्ड स्लेव डायनेस्टी. Now, if we study about the slave dynasty, then we have to check out the origins of the dynasty. And when coming to the origins, you can see that the Mamluk dynasty is also called slave dynasty. Mamluk literally means owned. Own means the one which you can own, and it is used for slaves. In Arabic language, the slaves were owned by their masters. That's why Mamluk was the word which was used for their slaves. And it refers to a powerful military caste called Mamluks, which originated in the 9th century Common Era in the Islamic empire of the Abbasid caliphs. Now, if we go back to the origin of the Mamluks, it is very much clear that this word was used for a specific military group, and that group was created by Motasim, the commander of the Abbasid Caliph, and he used the Turks and gave them the title of Mamluks. He created a group of soldiers which were considered to be directly under the Caliph, and nobody was able to transfer them, nobody was able to administer them. They were directly under the supervision of the Caliph, and this group was created in the 9th century by the Abbasid Caliph Motasim. The Mamluks wielded military and political power in Egypt, Iraq and India. Although they were slaves, they were held in high regard by their masters, and they were mostly generals and soldiers who fought for their masters. Now they have given the detail that who were the Mamluks. They were basically the commanders. Though they were slaves, यानी वो गुलाम थे, but they were the commanders, and they were the generals and the soldiers who fought for their masters, and they were directly under the command and the control of the Caliph. The Mamluks, they gained military and political power in Egypt and Iraq. The province, Egypt had a status of a province in the Abbasid Caliphate, so they took control of Egypt and Iraq, and after that they came to India. The Mamluk dynasty was established in Delhi by Qutbuddin Aibak. So the first ruler of the Mamluk dynasty was Qutbuddin Aibak, and this was the origin of Mamluks.